Day 3. Where are we?
Ridgeland, South Carolina.
South Kakalaka. We are staying at this farm right there. That's their farm stand. You probably can't see anything. We're just arriving to the site that we are staying. We did stay here last night, but when we get to places, it's dark, so can't really see anything. As you just saw, actually, you saw with the four-wheeler with Marissa. So let's check this out. Look how beautiful. Oh, those are chickens. See all the chickens? They use permaculture principles. You could drive. No, we want to drive. They use permaculture principles, sustainable agriculture, regenerative, any of the good words.
No-till.
No-till, no spill.
Silvopasture.
Silvopasture.
Which is what those birds are doing.
They're making silver in the ground because right now it's just dirt. Seatbelt was on. Did you saw that? We went to PJ's Coffee. We thought it was local, but it's a chain. It did say New Orleans, so. And we found some Mexican place with some food. So let's check out the retro RV here that we stayed in last night. It's got the ingle bean, almost ingle bean green color, more of like a sky blue. Eddie and Vivi were carrying it around last night around the fire. We had the fire going on. Look at this. They're clearing it out. There's some guinea hens. They're putting more little sites for more campers. Got a tiny house, another tiny house, shipping containers, Airstreams. These people are rock stars. Take your shoes off. That's the bed. It's a new one. You know, it's nice. It's nice. It's got a headlamp. That's mine. Some wine. The pooper is in the shower, which I've never seen that before. She wants a paper towel. There you go, Rebecca. Say hi to everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
Anybody knows the Lady Guadalupe on the minivan? Kind of like the incumbents of my tattoo.
Little rascal. Just a little morning wrestling, a little grappling.
Eddie, no nibbling on her.
Boss, she's trying to bite my face off.
That's true. So here we are. She just said a funny. She's funny sometimes.
Funny.
Sometimes.
Cute and funny.
Here we are in the center of the hub. I don't know if they live here, but Rebecca said that the chickens, as you could see over there, they put themselves in the freezers. So when they want to retire, they remove their own heads. No. Look at that. Whippoorwill Farms. That's where we are. This is so cool. So this is just, Brian needs something like this.
Forest raised chicken. Ow, he's hurting my hand.
Forest raised pork. That's the way to do it, man.
Eddie, no. He's hurting my hand.
So cool. And look, I got to do this to the shipping containers.
There's the cows.
Can't even see it. Oh yeah, cows, goats.
Supposed to message me.
Are we? What is that? Very cool. Oh look, they got a Jeep. That's Freddy. Look at that tree. That is... Hey, he's pooping. Eddie, why do you have an erection when you poop? I wasn't me. So beautiful. They got free compost drop off. I love it. Nice fencing. All fencing is charged. And here's their farm stand. Oh. Just getting going for the season.
But there's some beautiful greens.
Look, they got
here.
6-packs. And some greens, and some more greens, and some eggs. But,
collards, and I'm not sure what this is.
oh, look, that's right. Pay what you can. Oh, this is so beautiful. Somebody please send them some money. Anybody got extra money? Send them a donation. That's awesome. Future Dennis, make a little hutch like that with the IBC totes. Okay, I will. What's up, Lucifer? Oh, you're so happy. You're so happy. Hello, Mr. Hello, Mr. Goat.
Have access down in like the swampy areas.
Little babies.
Yeah, see, and there's 3 little ones. They were born earlier this week.
See them in the middle there.
Don't touch the fence, Eddie.
Babies.
And that's not their mom.
It's not?
Nope.
Is the mom still around?
Yeah, she's just
She's
not
took the
here.
day off. Took the.
Those pigs are such milkmongers. It's insane. I've never had piglets be so just like
All day.
on any mom that'll lay down for them.
Oh.
Wow.
That's their mom right there.
Oh, yeah.
And she's got plenty of milk.
Yeah,
And
she's
just
full.
would rather forage than lay down so that they can eat.
And how many pigs do you have?
So there's about, with the piglets and everything, there's somewhere between like 80 and 90.
Oh wow.
And so from here, we open up and we bring them down into this next section, which in a perfect world, if it wasn't swamp right now, we would close this off.
Wow.
Looks like the bees are out. So we would close this off and they would be over here. And they would not have access to that section anymore. When we take pigs
Eddie.
to butcher, we just bring the trailer and we load them straight back into the trailer. We put the trailer in the woods. And the more that you do it, the more they just get used to getting in the trailer.
Day 4, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Savannah, Georgia. That's is this Savannah or we're just going over a bridge?
We are in Savannah. That is beautiful Savannah.
They don't have many tall buildings. Can you see?
Dennis, stop it.
Sorry. Savannah, Georgia, folks. Whoa, a lot of ports. This looks like Elizabeth. We are back in Elizabeth. Wow. Oh no, it's just Savannah. She was right. Welcome Center in Savannah. Look at her. Hey, she's dancing. There's the world famous Thunderbird Inn. Hey, that's the second one we saw.
Yeah. Oh, that building, that's pretty. Welcome to Savannah.
Welcome to Savannah, folks. Oh wait, we're in Georgia? What? Do you know where we're going?
Yeah.
Really?
The Gray Market.
The Gray Market.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that doesn't sound legal. I guess that's where you barter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Gray Market.
Good thing we brought silver.
You can't tell people that.
They're not gonna know.
Oh, that's right. But how if they're like, hey, they always drive around with $8.2 million in silver. No, this minivan can only hold $2 million.
Look at their license plate.
Why? They know their license plate. Look, there's that person's license plate.
You can't do
I'm gonna give your phone number away.
that. 860.
So one of the things that Rebecca just noticed was how pretty this area is. And can anybody guess why it's so pretty? Nope, not the truck, not the stop signs, not the curbs. I mean, the curbs are pretty too, but the trees. To all the city planners out there, all you need to do for a beautiful town, look. Oh, that's not pretty Savannah. What is? The tree part. There you go, folks. There's the answer. Trees. Where are we?
Hi. Oh, we are at the Gray Market
Yeah.
in Savannah, Georgia.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go check it out.
Here's the Gray Market. But Vivi and Eddie are in vacation mode, and we're about to have some super yummy food.
Right, I'm gonna go take a little trip in there, check it out. Whoa. So cool. Wow, this is so cool. Very cool. Always something exciting going on in Savannah, folks. When I lived in Jersey City, I had one of those trash compactors that lived right next to me. And every Friday morning, 5:30, 6 a.m., they'd come to pick it up. Good morning, Dennis. I actually did not want to see that while we were eating here, so I called up the city and I had to move it so our view would be a little bit better. Thank you, Captain Jack. Look, isn't it much better vista now? See? That's what happens when you have power. You call the mayor of a town and say, move that, and they move it.
That's true.
Still at the Gray Market. Got a little bit of Inglebean action here. Where can we put it? There's a nice little, let's put it up there. Right up there. And then also a little Dennis Allen City Boy Homesteader. We're gonna put that right here. There's a good spot. Oh, that's not a good spot. Right there. Or she did it this way. Oh, I missed it. I thought you were going to do it up near mine. Oh well. Here we are in a really cool gallery. The Cork Store, actually. And they have a little art gallery in here. Just be careful with the peeing dogs. Such beautiful artwork. Those trolleys are all around. Oh, look how cool that is. Eddie, stay. Very cool. That door's artwork. Restrooms. More art. That's cool. That's so great. Wow, I really like those. Huh? Me? That's your dog.
There's a restroom just around the corner. Here, focus please.
Yep, I gotta stop. We have a dog emergency. Put it in my armpit. There we go. Someone peed. Not my dog. Baby did it. Cool. Oh, geez, you scared me. Cool little spot. We were just at the Cork Factory. Did I record anything in there? And look at these.
Oh, you did
cool...
the gallery.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's where Vivi peed.
Look at those doors.
Look at those doors. And there's a jet fighter or something flying above us. Somewhere. Eddie, don't pull.
He's going.
Where is it?
Oh, we're going down to the marina.
Wow. Look at this old power station. Right here, next to that bridge, next to this river, I'm guessing, in this town. I know the town's called Savannah. Wow, really cool. Still not in the Keys yet, folks, but we are here. Wow. This is inside the power station. Holy shizzle tag. Hey, look. Oh my god. Look at her. She was literally just sitting. So here we are in a place called Baobab, which is kind of cool. So beautiful. Here we are, day something at night. The air mattress is not getting blown up, but we did lay some yoga mats down and some blankets, and looks like a cozy little spot here. We found a little spot. Oh, you can't say anything. There's a Vivi dog. What do you got, Vivi? What do you got, Vivi? You like the camping? Got my slippers on. See you tomorrow, folks.